Right, so sine 210, obviously like we spoke about it now, it's the third quadrant. 210 is here, okay? 0, 90, 180, 270, so it's here. 180 plus x. So we're going to say sine 210 is sine 180 plus 30, okay? Remember they need to add up to the same thing. 180 plus 30 gives you 210. So you didn't change it, you just wrote it so that it looks like this, 180 plus x, okay? And then, remember what we said, if there's a square, you first take the square outside. So you're going to say it's cos 225 squared. Okay, so all you do there in the first step is take the square outside, okay? And then here tan 315 is the fourth quadrant, so it's 360 minus 45. So this one will become tan 360 minus 45. Okay, and then this last one, again it's a square. So with the square, put the square outside for now. That's all you do. So just say it's tan 150 squared. Okay, so that's a good first step. Okay, we simplified, we sorted out most of the stuff for now. Now we can say 180 plus 30, third quadrant, negative. It becomes negative. Okay, so it's negative sine 30. Okay. This one, cos 225, is third quadrant, so it's cos 180 plus 45. So it becomes cos 180 plus 45, still squared. This one is fourth quadrant, so it's going to be negative tan 45. And then this last one, tan 150, is the second quadrant, so it's 180 minus 30. So it becomes tan 180 minus 30, and then you put in the square. Okay. So remember about the square outside the bracket, so that you can first sort this out. Okay, first sort that out. Now we can say, okay, we can already simplify these two. The negatives cancel out. The negative and the negative cancel out. And sine 30 from the triangle, special triangle, sine 30 is 1 over 2. Okay, so we're going to say sine 30 will be 1 over 2. And then cos 180 plus 45 becomes negative cos 45. We still leave it as a square. We just write this down first, negative cos 45. Here tan 45 is opposite over adjacent. Remember now, this is the other special triangle. And then for 45, opposite over adjacent for tan is 1 over 1, which is 1. And then this one is the second quadrant, so it becomes negative tan 30. Still squared. Okay. So after all those steps, we are here now. Okay. And now we can first calculate it. Cos 45 is adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over square root of 2. So I'm going to write it here next to it, a half, and then 1 negative 1 over square root of 2 squared. And then this one will be tan 30 would be opposite over adjacent, 1 over square root of 3 squared. So it's negative tan 30. And tan 30 would be opposite over adjacent. And now you square them. Finally you can square them. You see why it's important to take the square out first, that you can see what's going on. Now we can square them. So now we're going to have a half. Okay, let's just put that in a half, and then this becomes a half as well. And then here it becomes 1 over 3. Okay, when you square this, the negative cancel out, it's positive. Now it's 1 over 4 here. 1 over 4 times 3 over 1. So all we did now is we said the half times a half is 1 over 4, and the 1 over 3 goes up, and it becomes 3 over 1. And then the last step is to say it's going to be equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so there's the whole thing.